In the meantime, travel to Iceland with us.
To overheat or produce smoke, then please contact the crew immediately.
So it worked.
All cabin baggage must be safely stowed away.
A lot of times when I book our seats, I'll book an aisle and a window in hopes that nobody takes the middle. And every now and again it works.
Cigarettes or vapes.
And then of course if somebody does have the middle, one of us will push over, usually the person who has the aisle seat. That way we can still have the window for taking pictures and filming and such. Y'all know how we do.
It all depends. It all depends how long the flight is. So if it's like a 16-hour flight, I need an aisle seat. Yeah.
True that.
Dear passengers, welcome to Reykjavik, Iceland, where the local time is 10 minutes past 1 p.m.
All right, guys, we are in Iceland. It is it's 39 degrees outside, a little windy, so it's a nice blustery day. But good news is it's not raining. When I checked the weather before we came out there, it called for like showers for the next, all the days that we're here. So hopefully that's not a thing. That would be nice. But yeah, so we're in the airport now and we're gonna figure out what our next move is. I'm thinking before we check into our hotel, we should probably go and get something to eat, because food at our hotel is a little on the more pricier side. We're gonna pick up our rental car. And this time I rented it from Avis, because last time we rented it and the place was like a little bit off of the airport, and I knew I didn't want to do that this time. So okay, we got our rental car. We gotta upgrade, y'all. Jay wanted an upgrade. So now we just gotta walk to the car lot. Ooh, baby. Ooh, child. Why'd I come out here? Babe, you got the upgrade you wanted. Y'all, it's snowing. We can't figure out the car. I'm over here just trying to get some. Why is it snowing? She said Avis preferred. The hell? Like, I cannot. Y'all. I had to take shelter. I'm pretty sure there is a way. FT is our license plate number. Why can't we figure this out? And it's a I don't know what it is. Jay, where you going? You're on the Euro card sign. Let me find out. We're gonna be in this car lot for years just to find a car. Ouch. Babe, there has to be an answer. Let me see the thing between these cars. Come meet me in my office. Good Lord. Whew. Yo, look at this terrain. Jay said it looks like we on the moon. This is just how it looks. It's crazy. Okay, y'all. We made it to our hotel.
It's right next to the factory.
All right. Go ahead so we can check in. Gullfoss. I don't know what that is. I have to Google it. Office Spring. I know you know it's colder out this way. That's why they still have snow clinging on, right? We cannot win. So we drove all the way out here, about 2 hours, to go to the only black restaurant in Iceland.
That we know.
And it says closed. The heck? The internet doesn't say closed. Oh my goodness.
Let's see.
Well, yeah, so we got Jay at the Geyser Park, and look, we got some free pastries on the house because we still on the hunt for food. But the bistro back there was like, would you like a pastry on the house? Sure, because food is not my strong suit. Baby, have you ever seen a geyser before? Look at how the steam's coming up from the earth.
Alaska.
Did you? Let's see if he did. Oh, look, they said that's only, oh no, 80 to 100 degrees Celsius.
It made this easy for us to walk.
I think we're going to eat at the gas station. Oh, look. Ah! I told you. I told you. What was you doing?
It's a machine made.
What was you doing? It's not. It's not a machine.
It's a machine in there.
So,
Pumping it out
you
every minute.
Stop the bubble. Stop the bubble. Oh, here we go. You got it? Little bubbly geyser. That's a bigger geyser. And then behind it is an even bigger geyser, but that one erupts like maybe once every 100 years or something crazy. Because one time we was like standing there trying to wait for it, and it was like, then I Googled it. It was like, child, last time this thing erupted was like in 19. Yeah, it was like some time ago.
They got some pictures of it.
This is one of my favorite falls. And this is going to be one of Jay's favorite falls too. So we have a little bit of a walk. Gullfoss. Y'all, look at that rainbow. Taking my baby to the best waterfall. He ain't ready. Look at this, babe. You ain't ready. He ain't ready. Oh, you said you seen a waterfall before? Babe, did you say you seen a waterfall before? Y'all, look at this so far. I think my man said he's seen a waterfall before.
That close to it?
My dude. Did you say, where did you say, Hawaii? Where did you say, Alaska? Babe, where did you say you seen this waterfall?
Hey, you could go right on that.
Babe. Look, they walked up there to that viewing point. We ain't got time to eat. Who wants to eat when you can see this? Babe, you want to go to a restaurant? Or you want to see this? No, you don't.
I'm watching on YouTube.
What? What? My baby said, what? Look how beautiful it is out here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. But look at that rainbow. We ain't eating. We ain't eating. They can't. They said he want to eat. We ain't eating. I'm gonna take him to this other waterfall. Since he said he's seen some waterfalls. Look at that. Look at that. This was worth our 2-hour drive. This will only be about an hour or so if you're in the city of Reykjavik. But what makes the drive fast is that there's so many other viewing points along the way, so you don't have to drive straight for an hour. You can actually stop at some other falls and other exciting landmarks. Yeah, it's like it's raining on us. Just from the fall of the falls. You see that, babe? Just from the brush back of the falls, it's like it's raining on us. Look at this. Look at that. The rush of the falls. Let's go over here first. Babe, you seen the waterfall? What? What? That waterfall that you speak of, how far away was it in Hawaii? Or Alaska? I don't remember. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. How far was it? This waterfall that you speaketh of. What? Babe, how far was it? Oh, actually you was in a waterfall. You had a waterfall rain down on you. But can you imagine this rain on you? This would drown you. Like, wow. Babe. All right. On to the next one. We're going to Brúarfoss. Turn, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down, turn, turn. I got you, baby. You can do this. Okay.
She's funny. Adventure.
All right, y'all. We made it to my other favorite waterfall. Before the y'all, it's like almost 10 p.m. I think the sun sets at like 10:20. Well, actually, it looks like the sun is setting now, so I'm not sure what they mean by that. When they say sunset, because it looks like the sun is setting now, right? So now Jay officially knows how we can be out and never get nothing to eat in Iceland. It's like things close early, restaurants and such close early. And then when it comes to the beautiful nature, it's a race against the sun. Now, the more we get into summertime, the sun just won't set. So you'll literally have 24 hours. Oh yeah, the sun won't go down at all. And so therefore, you can actually prioritize eating food because you know that you can be out here and the sun will be up. You would just have to make sure you don't be out here so long and forgetting about time that you just fall asleep on the road because you're tired. But you know you're not getting your sleep. Yeah, there's only two. Well, there's 3 cars. That includes ours in the parking lot. And we seen 1 car leaving out as we were coming in. So there would have been 4. Warning, danger. Yes, it's very beautiful, but it's dangerous. That's what that sign said. You say what? Here's the waterfall. Oh no. Oh no, this waterfall is not. Oh, alright, it's getting a little better. It's not how, well maybe, I don't know. But it's still a pretty color. But when we came, it was like more that color. I'm thinking maybe because it's dark. I'm gonna blow his mind with the next one. It's definitely pretty. Oh. You ain't nobody in our pictures. Dude. And look how nobody is here. This place is usually crowded. Well, the one time that I went. You go down there. Huh? Yeah, it look real slippery. But let's see. Yeah, yeah, it's good. Hold on. Uh-huh. Yeah, look at that. As I barely get away from the wall. I gotta be my own gimbal. Yeah. Why are we the only car in this parking lot? When we got here, there was two other cars here. We seen one couple leave, but we saw a group of four people, young people, going because they was at the parking meter when we got here, and then we were behind them. Where they go? Where they at? What's that? Oh, and what's the? This is beautiful. I'm happy Jay got to see this. Now we're gonna go to Reykjavik, the city, and see if we can find something to eat there. Wish us luck. Let me show y'all this. Look at, see how light it still is, and look what time it is. 10:46. See, told y'all it'd be 11 o'clock out here, still light. It's about to be 11 o'clock. We still ain't ate. Oh my gosh, we ate breakfast.
I ate a lot.
I know, but I was still breakfast like 9 o'clock this morning. We ate a bag of chips and we ate a pastry somebody gave us for free.
Could have ate a hot dog too.
We sure could have. But I thought we was about to eat. I thought we was going to a restaurant.
This time was like, it's daytime and we closed for 3 days.
Y'all, we found a Domino's. They close at 12 midnight. Look, it's 11. It's almost 11. I gotta pee. They close at midnight. I gotta go to this bathroom. I should go run out to the bathroom. To the gas station. Shit. Oh, but Jay can come take me to the bathroom while we wait on the pizza. Yo. Dinner. Bam. Domino's. What's up?
How many slices are How many slices?
I'm eating all of them. Look at him. He got to come because he fasts like a. I know. Jay says he doesn't think it gets dark all the way. Yo, it's 12:23 right now. So I mean, the sky definitely isn't dark yet.
And it's like cloudy, so you can't really
And see, we can't tell if it gets dark or not because at some point we did go to sleep.
What's that building over there with the clock? What's that? Just straight ahead.
I don't know.
Now you gonna put our destination.
Yeah, I'm gonna put our destination, but we gotta show them the famous statue. Let me open this window up. I'm gonna show y'all the famous statue. You gonna get in that lane? Okay. Here it is, right here. Silver. It's called the Viking. Oh, he pulled us over in the bus lane. Thank you, baby. You're so awesome. Because we couldn't figure out. We was like, where do you park if you want to come near here? See? Boom. That's a famous statue. Yeah, we made it back. We made it back. This is what it looked like out there. Wait. This is what it looks like out here. And look, it's 1 in the morning.
1 in the morning.
We going to bed. We going to bed. So y'all know what to do. Thumbs out, up, comment, subscribe. So, good morning, Iceland.
Good morning.
Reykjavik, Blue Lagoon. Today's our last day here. Our last morning here, really. Our flight's at 3. So we're going to go get our good breakfast. I'm in my airport travel uniform. So, time for this. Where do we want to sit? We can sit over here. So, breakfast. The chia seed puddings. The breads and pastries. It's really discovered. This is my first part of my meal. I'm doing my sweets. Then on my second part, I'll move on to savory. Then on my third part, I'll move on to cheeses and fruits. This is Jay. He got it all. And he didn't.
Save my sweets for later.
He didn't trust me to make his coffee, but I did a double shot of espresso. I did 2, yeah. So let's see how this goes down. Yo.
You can't even check in the luggage.
So I want to buy the facial stuff here, but we don't have a check bag, right? But I want to buy it, and I told Jay, mess around with me. I want to buy a set for G, because it costs how much? They said it cost, babe. For the small one, it was like $150.
Yeah, $140.
And for the big one, it was like 200 and something. But then I don't know the ounces. Like how much can we bring on a check bag, right? And then I said, mess around with me. I want to buy it for all my friends too. And for me and for G. And Jay talking about something. You want to do all that, but you don't want to buy a check back. That's where I draw the line. I ain't paying for no check back. It's not in my priorities. Yeah, I don't care. But it's so funny though. That's the truth though. But I would buy it for all my friends and my sisters. Don't play with me. Do not tempt me. Everybody will walk around with this. But okay, Jay think we playing. First of all, so I have got my salmon toast with capers and pesto. And then we're going to do our morning vitamins. Boom. Cod liver oil shot. Take it down. Chug-a-lug, 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 chug-a-lug. Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug. So good. So we're back, and it's funny because 3 of us just got off this shuttle van, and we're all 3 like parked by each other. But my man is the only man who took apart his car in the drive in here. So we're gonna wait for him to put the car back together.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.